Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Taraba State has enjoyed relative peace from the farmers-herders conflict lately, but just on the verge of the planting season, trouble struck in Bornu-kurukuru, Gazabu and Utsuaa-Daa Communities in Bali Local Government Area. Residents say this recent crisis between the farmers and herders is a spillover of a crisis in Katsina-Ala Local Government Area in neighbouring Benue State. At least 65 persons were said to have lost their lives in the incident, with thousands from farming communities displaced in various temporary camps in need of humanitarian assistance.
The number of people killed with their family are up to 49, including this one died in Gazabu, about 10, and 6 in Yelwa-Kalarua village, making the total people of 65 that are dead. Their families that left behind are here with us.
They started killing our people in Bornu area. So, no security, no anything that will aid us from killing.
La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah.
Taraba State Police Public Relations Officer David Misal says the situation is under control.
Currently, the situation is calm because the Commissioner of Police has deployed more additional policemen to the area, in particular Gazabu and Bornu-kurukuru. That is where we had the issue of herders and farmers clashes. It's actually unfortunate that lives were lost at a result of the crisis.
Taraba State government says it has put in appropriate measures to avoid any further escalation of the crisis.